English Persian, have equals.
داشتن.
Fun, fast lesson. Welcome. Hey you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free practice tools. Ready to laugh and learn? Today your mission is simple. Master have equals.
داشتن.
Imagine a magic backpack. Every time you say the Persian form, it fills with snacks. Yum. Let's stuff that pack. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, plural, they have. Go. Your goal today. You'll lock in the core forms with a friendly rhythm and quick jokes. Stay with me, you've got this. Have.
داشتن.
I have.
من دارم.
You have, singular.
تو داری.
He has.
او دارد.
She has.
او دارد.
It has.
آن دارد.
We have.
ما داریم.
You have, plural, polite.
شما دارید.
They have.
آنها دارند.
Beat the forms. Clap the beat with me, speak out loud and smile. Sound goofy, learn fast. I have.
من دارم.
You have, singular.
تو داری.
He has.
او دارد.
She has.
او دارد.
It has.
آن دارد.
We have.
ما داریم.
You have, plural.
شما دارید.
They have.
آنها دارند.
Chant chain. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, plural, they have. Mini dialogue. Listen, then repeat. It's silly, but it sticks. A. Do you have a pen? You have a pen? B. Yes, I have.
من دارم.
A. Great. He has the notebook.
او دارد دفتر.
B. And she has the map.
او دارد نقشه.
A. Perfect. It has a funny cover.
آن جلد بامزه دارد.
B. We have snacks.
ما خوراکی داریم.
You have, plural, water.
شما آب دارید.
A. They have tickets.
آنها بلیط دارند.
Trip time. Quick drills. Your turn. Answer fast and clearly. I'll cue, you speak the Persian. Say, I have a book. Answer.
من یک کتاب دارم.
Say, you have, singular, my key. Answer.
تو کلید من را داری.
Say, he has a car. Answer.
او یک ماشین دارد.
Say, she has time. Answer.
او وقت دارد.
Say, it has a name. Answer.
آن نام دارد.
Say, we have water. Answer.
ما آب داریم.
Say, you have, plural, 2 tickets. Answer.
شما 2 بلیط دارید.
Say, they have coffee. Answer.
آنها قهوه دارند.
Culture tip. Sound natural. Tiny tip, huge payoff. In Persian, possession uses have equals.
داشتن.
But age uses to be, not have. So say, I am 20 inches.
من 20 سالهام.
Not, I have 20. Also, in spoken Persian.
دارم.
Can mark a progressive, I'm going.
دارم میروم.
Context is your friend. Quiz time. Answer out loud. No pressure, just points from the universe. 1. Which Persian verb means to have? Answer.
داشتن.
2. Translate. We have. Answer.
ما داریم.
3. Translate. You have, plural, polite. Answer.
شما دارید.
4. True or false. He has equals.
او دارد.
Answer. True. 5. Translate. It has a plan. Answer.
آن برنامه‌هایی دارد.
The 30-second challenge. Chain them without stopping. Deep breath. Go. I have.
من دارم.
You have, singular.
تو داری.
He has.
او دارد.
She has.
او دارد.
It has.
آن دارد.
We have.
ما داریم.
You have, plural.
شما دارید.
They have.
آنها دارند.
Now reverse it. Wrap up. Nice work, high five. You nailed have equals.
داشتن.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, plural, they have with short daily reps. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. You've got this. See you next time.